All right, so finally got the tool to do the garage floor. And yesterday I didn't really feel like filming. I don't even know why. I just was like trying to hurry up and see if it worked. But it ended up working really, really good. I'll show you guys what it's starting to look like. So, I mean, it's kind of dirty right here, but you can tell that's where the glue is. That's where the no glue is. Looks so much better. Has a lot of dust I gotta finish up. And here is what we've been using. This diamond blade. Yes, it's really small. And usually you'd be using a big blade with a push behind, but kind of broke, as you guys know, because I've been working for a long time. So we had to, you know, go with that. And that was still like 35 bucks. So I was like, but yeah, so yeah, we're gonna do some of that. Obviously, I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro because I don't want a bunch of dust all over this camera. But yeah, so I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro and, well, actually, no. First, I'm gonna hit a little shotgun and then I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro and try to knock this out. By the way, guys, it's already dark. I worked all day today. Whew, it's gonna be rough. All right, guys, so you already know, got a little Ultra, little Mickey. But yeah, so I'm just gonna hit a shotgun because this is gonna be, I don't know, I'm just. Nothing better, but yeah, let's knock the garage out. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can hear me or not, but the sound in the background is us finishing this garage. I'm gonna show you, my dad came through, actually went in one of those big sanders from Home Depot, and it's almost done. I just gotta finish a few little things. We're literally almost done. Sorry. If I'm talking really loud, I'm sorry because I can't hear. It's nighttime. Sorry to all my neighbors. But yeah, like, we're so close to being done. I just gotta go in there and basically pressure wash all of the like nasty glue out and let it dry overnight. And hopefully in the next video, I'll be bringing my 300 over. But yeah, so we ditched the little hand sander, or at least I did, because it was just taking forever, and I just miss my 300 so much, guys. So I was like, you know what? I dropped, you know, $100-something on this sander thing to get it done, and we rented it overnight, which was cool. But then I feel bad for my neighbors because it's like super loud, and it's like kind of like, it's only like 10 o'clock at night, which we're almost done at 10 o'clock. But yeah, so gonna end this video now just so we can hurry up and finish this sanding process and everything. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching all the way to this point and watching me struggle and everything, but I finally got it done. Car will be here tomorrow. I'm gonna try to film all of that and all my tools and everything. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Go cop some merch to help me paint my car. I'll be up right here. And yeah, subscribe if you're new. Peace out, guys.